Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're going to be doing an Intel build with the DIYPC Case X-W-RGB. This is the white version. As you can see, this is a very pretty case, like the last DIY one we did too. This one has more lights though. Comes with 2 RGB fans pre-installed. Also going to be putting in a couple Antec Prism addressable RGB fans also. Alright. Going to be using the Gigabyte Z370M motherboard today. Got this off eBay for super cheap. It actually came with a power supply. After shipping and everything, I only paid $54 for the motherboard and 800 watt crappy power supply that I didn't use. I didn't even think I'd get it. It was brand new. This motherboard was, it's like $100 and something motherboard. Put in the fans. Tell you the one thing I don't like about these 2 DIY PC cases I've reviewed so far is the front fan mounts. If you tighten them too much, the screw just goes right through the fucking metal and out. It squeezes right out of the mount. So it either feels like it's too loose or you pretty much screw right through it. It's a pretty big case like the last one, so the cable management ends up being pretty easy at the end. I'm actually going to be using a PCI Express vertical graphics card mount with this one, which if you've never done is a huge pain in the ass. Cutting out all the supports and everything was shitty, and then the worst part was getting it to screw into the remaining screw holes. Then I found out that I had to put the graphics card into the thing and then put it back and then screw it into the case. But yeah, it ended up taking me like 45 minutes just to get the graphics card in. I do like it though. It looks really nice when it's all said and done, even though it was a huge pain in the ass to get in there. Probably look better with my 1070, but the RX 580 doesn't look too terrible. I am not good at cable management at all yet, so yeah, ignore that. The side does go on, that's what matters. There it is, looking pretty sweet. Will tell you that my Antec Prism fans would not hook up to the fan header RGB controller that the case came with, so I have 2 controllers. One for the back and top fan and one for the front fans right there, as you can see. But they have pretty similar settings overall, so it matches good enough if you're using them both. I love the way the front of this case looks too, the designs and stuff. And the RGB on the words and everything looks freaking sweet. So look at that. Why isn't every case like that? People need to take some hints from DIY, I guess. Got our Viper memory right there, 16 gigabytes. 2400 speed, not too fast. RX 580. RGB fans, RGB front panel. RGB strip? RGB strip isn't in there yet. I did put an RGB light strip in there also that came with the fans. It comes with 2 of those and 3 fans for 60 bucks. Pretty sweet deal. And here's our parts list. We got the case at 53, the motherboard at 54, Intel Core i5-8400 at $215, Patriot Viper Elite 4 gigs times 4, $80, refurb Corsair power supply, 40 bucks. Fans, 60, SSD, 20 bucks, and a used 1 terabyte hard drive for $28. Used and new parts, as I built it, was $550. If you're going to build it all brand new, that would be $642 plus tax. Alright, that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to do some benchmarks with this one and the Ryzen 1200 system that I just built last week. Probably in a video next week. But yeah, alright. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.